As shocking as you may find it, you can eat eggs and butter and still have low cholesterol. That's right. For a long time, many people thought that eating eggs with their cholesterol-packed yolks could seriously spike our blood cholesterol, especially the LDL kind that's linked to heart problems. That's why there were warnings to keep your egg intake in check, especially when it came to those yolks. But science has come a long way, and we've learned that the story is a bit more complex than we once thought. We now know that dietary cholesterol, like the kind found in eggs, doesn't affect our blood cholesterol levels too much. In fact, eggs can have a positive effect on cholesterol profile. They are rich in protein and various vitamins and minerals which can be part of a heart-healthy diet. So in this video, let's learn why is that and how can you eat eggs and butter to lower your cholesterol. One egg has about 186 milligrams of cholesterol, but our body makes up to 3000 mg every day. It's a big difference, right? Surprisingly, research shows that the cholesterol we eat doesn't always raise our cholesterol levels. It's a truth that goes against what we might expect, but it's a solid fact. There's actually no solid evidence that eggs are bad for your heart. In fact, there's a study that shows the benefits of lutein and xanthan which are found in egg yolks. Moreover, egg yolks are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in liver function and helps transport cholesterol and triglycerides out of the liver, potentially reducing cholesterol buildup. For people who follow a low-carb diet, these nutrients, lutein and xanthan, help lower bad cholesterol levels and increase the good kind of cholesterol, keeping your arteries healthy. Egg yolks also have vitamin K2, which helps keep your arteries clear of calcium deposits and helps make your bones strong. The high-quality protein in eggs contributes to feelings of fullness and satisfaction and prevents you from overeating or snacking on unhealthy foods. This not only helps you lose weight but also supports better cholesterol management. Another thing is that eggs contain many B-complex vitamins which are important for overall heart health. Now let's talk about the benefits of butter for heart health. Butter, especially when taken from grass-fed cows, contains many compounds that can contribute to healthier cholesterol levels. It's different from regular butter and has its own unique qualities. For example, conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, is a fatty acid found in butter from grass-fed cows. Studies have shown that CLA helps to reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, or good cholesterol. Another thing is that butter and gut microbes have a special relationship when it comes to cholesterol. Grass-fed butter is a source of butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid. Butyrate serves as a primary energy source for the cells lining your colon. It helps maintain a healthy gut lining and helps ensure that your gut has more friendly microbes. This improves your body's ability to metabolize or break down cholesterol so that it no longer poses a threat to your heart health. Grass-fed butter is also a good source of vitamin K2, which, as I mentioned before, helps to prevent calcium deposits in your arteries and helps direct that calcium to bone matrix. So this is a two-in-one benefit, as you can have better heart health and stronger bones with the help of vitamin K2. Grass-fed butter can also be a great option for women going through menopause. It helps with making different hormones in your body, including estrogen and progesterone. High-fat butter can be very beneficial during menopause, as the saturated fat in it helps your body make cholesterol, and your sex hormones are basically synthesized from cholesterol. Okay, now let's see how important cholesterol is for our bodies. Cholesterol is a key component of cell membranes. It helps give our cells structure and flexibility, which is vital for all the little things our cells do, like absorbing nutrients and getting rid of waste. Cholesterol is the building block for some of our most important hormones. It's involved in making hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and even those that control our metabolism. Our liver uses cholesterol to make bile acids, which are necessary for digesting fats in our food. Without enough cholesterol, there won't be enough bile, so you'd most likely have a tough time digesting those tasty burgers and fries. Cholesterol also helps your skin make vitamin D when it's exposed to sunlight, and as you may know, vitamin D is crucial for strong bones and a healthy immune system. One very important factor in this cholesterol story is beta-carotene, because it can be very helpful in balancing your cholesterol levels. If you're lucky enough to enjoy butter from grass-fed cows, you're in for a treat because it's loaded with beta-carotene, giving it a golden hue. There's also butyric acid, a small but powerful fatty acid. It basically helps your body break down cholesterol and use it for good things. Now, if you are eating eggs and butter, then you should also know about some other compounds you should take to balance your cholesterol levels. One of them is niacin. It is particularly effective at increasing HDL cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol is called good because it helps remove excess cholesterol from your bloodstream and transport it to the liver for the production of bile. Niacin also helps to lower LDL or bad cholesterol. It does this by inhibiting the liver's enzyme that makes VLDL, which is basically a precursor to LDL cholesterol. Niacin can also significantly lower your levels of triglycerides, which are another type of fat found in the blood and can be bad for your heart. Then there's nattokinase. It is basically an enzyme derived from fermented soybeans, particularly from a Japanese dish called natto. It has been shown to have the ability to break down fibrin, a protein involved in blood clot formation. Some studies suggest that nattokinase improves overall heart health by promoting healthy blood flow and preventing the formation of unnecessary blood clots. There is also some limited research that says nattokinase can improve lipid profiles and lower bad cholesterol. Another great natural remedy is red yeast extract. It contains naturally occurring compounds known as monocolin. One of the monocolin, specifically monocolin K, functions similarly to statin drugs. In simple words, it prevents the liver from making cholesterol. Monocolin K is also an antioxidant that helps protect your arteries from oxidative stress or free radical damage. Last but not least, you can take bile salts. As the name suggests, these salts help your liver produce more bile. This not only helps your body digest fats but also encourages your liver to utilize the extra cholesterol in your blood and use it to make bile juice. Another cool thing about bile salts is that they are both hydrophilic, which means water-loving, and lipophilic, which means fat-loving. This allows them to surround and trap the saturated fats in your food and prevent it from entering your bloodstream. So when you are eating eggs and grass-fed butter, taking these supplements regularly can further support your body's natural ability to regulate cholesterol. But as with any supplement or alternative treatment, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before having these supplements or dietary changes that you have seen in this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.